today I will discuss with you projection of a line, in which rotation method and traces will be discussed. Let us start question. So first of all, draw XY. Now we have to draw projector line for point P. So use set square. This is the projector line for point P. So front view of the line is given as 70 mm and point P is 15 mm above HP. So 15 mm above HP. So we will mark on the projector line like. So here is point E dash, which is 15 mm above HP. Now draw line parallel to XY passing through point P dash. Now draw a line at angle of 45. So use protractor. Here. On this line, cut a distance of 70 mm as given in question. So mark this point as Q dash. So this is the front view of a given line of length 70 mm. So after this, draw projector line through this point. Now vertical trace is given as 15 mm below HP. So we will mark 15 mm here. And draw a reference line, a line passing through this point parallel to XY. So here is a. Now extend this line in the front view, that is the elevation, so that it intersect with the locus of BT. So you can see here. So this point is, and this point, this is the point at which it is cutting with the reference line. So it is H dash, and here is the vertical trace. Now through this point, draw perpendicular to XY. So this point is V. Now taking VT as the center point and radius equal to BT Q dash, draw arc, make it parallel to reference line. Now draw a line at an angle of 30 degree through B. So use D here. So angle is 30 degree. So through this point, now draw or extend this line so that it intersect with this line which is at a 30 degree. So we just passing a line through, we can say extending the point over here. So this point is, we are marking as Q1. So this is the intersection of the line. Now draw a locus of point through this point. So locus of point Q. And also extend this projector line of Q, so that will intersect this locus over here. So join this point with V. So mark this point as P, and here is Q. It's okay. So now in this way we have drawn the projection of line in front and top view, that is elevation and plan at. Now draw a line through point P and rotate this projection, make it parallel to XY so that we can find out the true length of the line. Now through this point draw a parallel line to XY, or we can say locus of point Q, that will intersect over here, this point. Now join this point with the point P dash. So here is Q2 dash. This is the true length of the line. Now we have to also find out the elevations inclination. So we need to find out this angle, and we have to mark this one. So this one is theta, that is asked to find out in the numerical. This value is given in numerical as 45 degree. So we've already find true length of the line, inclination theta. Now we have to find out the HT. So for that we will project a perpendicular to point H so that it intersect with the extended plan at point this. So this is horizontal trace, this one. Now mark all the data given in the question So as this is given as 30 degree, so will you mark here, this is given as 30 degree. This is locus of point Q, dimension here is given as 15 degree. This one, vertical trace distance from the xy is given as 15. Similarly, this is also given as 15 degree. So mark the direction of movement of projection. With arrows. So this is the solution of the given problem, in which horizontal traces, vertical traces is given. We have to find out the horizontal traces as well as the true length of the line. Also we have to find out the inclination of the line with the horizontal plane. So this is the solution. Thanks for